Okay, so moving on to the next piece, we have this thing that says Lennart. We're going to assemble it real quick. So I'm going to just pull all the pieces out, unpackage them, lay them out, and then we'll get this party started. Okay, so it looks like the first thing we're going to do here is build out the frame. So that is going to require these two pieces here, and these two little side pieces. Push some of this other stuff out of the way. So what we've got is this plastic tab with threads on it, and this bit of metal here that's going to slide right over that. And you're going to grab one of your little screws here and thread that in. If you're using a power drill, make sure you do not over tighten this, as those threads are just plastic, and you can likely cross thread them or strip them out quite easily, so be careful. Looks like the next thing we're going to do is place this piece on top, and we're going to use the same screws. As you can see there's a hole in this and a threaded hole here, and secure this to the top. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this wire cross brace and put that into position. Same way. There's only one type of screw that comes with this, so easy enough. Next, we're going to pop our wheels into place. And so there's a shorter leg and a longer leg. You want to put this on the side that has the shorter leg and or the cross brace. Just going to pop those right into position there. And just kind of push right in. There we go. So what we're going to do is where we have our perforations, we're going to bend this up. So these tabs want to be facing out, not in. So tabs facing out. Now these are going to fit on the ends. You're going to use these little white push tabs to go through each one of these holes. So you're going to put it through. Don't push on the top part. I'm trying to show you and then pop down. I'll show you in a second. I'll put one or two in and then show you what I mean by that. It's a little tricky to do this piece of metal trying to slide everywhere. So don't push from the top part, otherwise you're going to push it in. But you see how I've got it pushed in and then push that top part. All right, so that video was pretty blurry and out of focus, kind of difficult to see what I was talking about, but this is basically the same principle. You have a clip that goes through a piece of metal, and then you push this part all the way in, and then push the top part down, and that will hold everything in place. So that's kind of what I was trying to demonstrate in that video, but it's kind of blurry and difficult to see. So I made this quick supplemental video just to show you how that operates. So you're going to make sure this goes through both sides of the metal, and then push that top part of the cab down. You're going to do that on both sides. Then we're just going to slide that into the channel here. That's why your tabs have to be facing out. And there we have it. We're just going to do that 2 more times. And that is basically it for this thing. So tabs facing out, bend in the perforation. open part. Where there's not a tab or any holes, you want that facing up. And place your tab. It's actually pretty simple to assemble. And slide it into the track. So there we have it, guys. This thing is all assembled. Hope this helps you out in assembling your furniture. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you check out my channel, guys. Hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you very much, YouTube. Everyone, if you enjoyed today's video, I would invite you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below right there on the right-hand corner. And if you felt that the products in today's video is something you might like to own yourself, there's a product link right up there to the right, upper right-hand corner, or down in the description will be a product link for you to purchase the product as well. Thank you very much for watching, YouTube.